Hi, Xhorse fans. Today, we're going to unbox the newest addition to Key Tool series, Key Tool MIDI. I bet many of you are curious about this device. Why is it called Key Tool MIDI? Previously, we had the Key Tool Plus and the Key Tool Max Pro. The name MIDI comes from the word middle, as its size falls between the two. Despite being more compact, it still packs powerful functions. What exactly does IMMO and TPMS 2-in-1 mean? Let's open the box and take a look. As always, it comes in a custom black carrying case. The quality is solid and durable. Inside, there's high-density foam to protect the device and accessories from shocks and make storage easy. Let's see what's included. First, we have a certification card and the user manual. Here's Key Tool MIDI. Next, we have TPMS adapter, which connects to MIDI via the USB-C port to enable the TPMS function. It also comes with 3 OBD connectors for vehicles without OBD ports. These are the Kia 20-pin connector, the Kia 10-pin connector, and the Honda 3-pin connector. You can choose the right connector based on the car model and port type. Here's the EEPROM flash cable. If you need to read or write an 8-pin chip, you'll solder the chip's pins to this cable. Additionally, we've included this 8-pin adapter board. Next, there's a USB-C charging cable, an OBD diagnostic cable with a DB25 port, a remote programming cable, and a fast charging adapter. It's a 27 watts fast charger with a convenient retractable head. That's everything inside the box. Now, let's take a closer look at Key Tool MIDI itself. The design is clean and modern, with a rounded body that feels comfortable in your hands. Both sides have a rubber textured finish for shock resistance and a better grip. The 7-inch screen is a highlight. The system has been optimized for this size, and the new UI design makes it look even more futuristic with a larger screen-to-body ratio. This is the upgraded identification coil. It supports 125 kHz low frequency and 13.56 MHz mid-frequency. It can identify common transponders and ID IC cards. Plus, it has a built-in 22K reader and writer, which means you can wirelessly identify MLB keys without needing additional tools. There's even a small chip placement slot here, so you won't have to worry about losing tiny chips during use. This area at the bottom is for frequency measurement. You can use it to test or clone remotes. It supports frequencies from 300 MHz to 900 MHz, covering almost all common remote types. On the side, there's a strap hole where you can attach the included wrist strap to prevent drops. The back also has a rubber textured finish, and you'll find a speaker, a camera, and a flash. At the top, let's check out the buttons and ports. There's the power lock button, the PS2 port for wired remote programming, the DB25 port for OBD programming, a microphone, and a USB-C port. Even though our new Redboard wired remotes support wireless programming, MIDI still retains the PS2 port for compatibility with Greenboard wired remotes. This USB-C port isn't just for charging. It also supports accessories like a wired Ethernet adapter or TPMS adapter. So, why do we call Key Tool MIDI a 2-in-1 device? It's because both the IMMO and TPMS functions are incredibly powerful. For IMMO function, it supports over 90% of car models. There are 3 versions available: Basic, Advanced, and Enhanced. The enhanced version covers functions like Volkswagen Gen 1 to Gen 5, BMW CAS 1 to CAS 4, FEM, BDC, and even Mercedes-Benz models when paired with our Benz adapter. All versions also support MLB models when used with MLB tool. Now, let's talk about the TPMS function. Key Tool MIDI supports over 98% of car models for TPMS sensor generation, programming, and cloning. The programming is highly stable, and you can even program multiple sensors at once. You can order Xhorse TPMS sensors from any authorized distributor. If you're looking to expand into TPMS services, this is the perfect opportunity. If you're curious about how to operate MIDI, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. See you.